Hello friends, in this experiment we are going to discuss the stroboscope. So stroboscope basically is a non-contacting type speed measurement device. So without connecting with a rotating shaft or rotating disc, we may able to measure the speed of that disc or rotating disc. Okay, so for that purpose we require one setup. The name of setup is a stroboscope, which is shown over here. So on the front side of stroboscope there is a flashing light. So on the top side there is a display, speed display and on the rear side there are a adjustment button, so by using which we are going to adjust the flashing frequency. So this is the rotating disc on which we made one red spot. Okay, and here we observe the actual speed of that rotating disc, and after that we are going to compare both the reading. So now the current reading of rotating disc is displayed on this display. Now I am going to make the flashing light on, and then I am going to adjust the frequency of light, flashing frequency of light. So adjust this frequency till that instant the red mark get stationary over the disc. Okay, so it appears like a stationary over the disc. Then the flashing frequency of this stroboscope, so here the red mark get stationary. Okay, see over here the red mark gets stationary. At this instant the reading is a 498, and here the reading is shown 497. Okay, so for second reading we made similar procedure. Increase the speed first. So now speed is near about 624. Okay, and then again adjust the flashing frequency. So till that instant the red mark get stationary. Okay, so most of the time the reading taken on the non-contacting type measuring instrument will show the error near about 10 to 15 rpm. So when we are going to increase the speed of disk, at that time it will show the error. Okay, so at one instant the mark get stationary. Okay, so for that purpose in some of the cases we may use the fine adjustment. Okay, so after fine adjustment at one instant we will get, or we appear the red mark get stationary. Okay, so at this location the red mark get stationary over here. Okay, and now we will get the near about result of this rotating disc. Okay, so till that instant the adjustment is done. So now result over this actual meter is 630 rpm of this rotating disc, and result shown over the stroboscope is 644. So near about the error of 14 rpm is shown over the stroboscope. So by using the non-contacting type instrument we will get the rpm without contacting with that rotating disc. So thank you.